naway patuloy po nating pagsilbihan at protektahan ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino, and syempre magtulungan tayo para mas maging maunlad ang ating bayan.
We have to build up our reserve force hand in hand with building up non-military civil defense units, particularly for our communities.
Sana po pag hindi pa po kayo nakakasama sa amin, sumali po kayo. And happy Reservist Week sa lahat po na sinasakop ng Philippines.
You have been instrumental in responding to natural disasters, providing humanitarian assistance, and supporting internal security operations and territorial defense operations.
To all of our men and women who are serving our country, more power to you, God bless, at mabuhay ang ating mga reservists.